Pilot cab back to the turret. That's a 587's coming clear. Signal Stratford West. Probably 907 and 64 10 again. Well, let's see. And Hayden's gonna do a thing.
Septmeber, London, Strathroy et Wyoming. Sur la voie numéro 1. Merci.
And no call out for the second straight night. Okay.
Oh, looks like a D42.
Yeah, my scanner wasn't quite turned up right, but I did kind of hear the call out anyway. But I didn't have my scanner turned all the way up.
Taylor.
What?
Looks like a P42.
Oh yeah. It's been this contest for just under a month now. Just under a month.
For your protection, it is required to wear a mask at all times in the station and on board.
I mean,
please respect physical distancing
yeah, delayed.
as much as possible. Wash your hands.
He's about 15 minutes late. 25 minutes late out of Toronto.
In cooperation. These measures are in place to keep us moving.
Oh yeah.
Pour vous protéger, le port du masque est requis en tout temps en gare et à bord du train.
Yeah, delayed about 20 minutes out of Toronto, so yeah.
Lavez vos mains souvent avec du savon ou du gel antibactérien et éternuez dans votre coude. Merci de votre compréhension et de votre collaboration. Ces mesures sont là pour nous aider à aller de l'avant.
But I mean, the light wouldn't really matter anyway, whether it was delayed or not, because it's still dark. And it is raining tonight, so
Snowing.
No, Hayden, it's not snowing yet. Too early for snow. But it is raining tonight, guys, so you will see the windshield wipers be going on the lead engine, which I can't quite tell yet, because the lights are not going out just yet, but
Looks like a F40.
no, it's a P42.
Watch your B907 and 6410.
Well, that's more likely, but we'll have an eye. Could be something new. And I hope it's something new. And the lights are just going out now, but I still can't really see that number board. Because, I mean, could be because of the rain, I can't really see the number board, or it's just not on for the second straight night, because it could just not be on.
You'll be able to tell if it's 907, right?
If the number board's on now, yes, because when it was summertime and it was like when it was summertime and everything was much better in light, I can tell regardless what the number was. Now it's
You'll be able to tell by the bell.
SM87, okay for doors on the right-hand side, full stop Stratford.
Side is full stop at Stratford, thank you.
But it's probably 907 because of the damage. It's 907. It's been almost a full month. What are you doing to us? And away they go. And yeah, Hayden mentioned the windshield wipers. It is rather normal with the P42s that the windshield wipers kind of like to be a little bit funky, but yeah, like I said, it's normal with the P42s. What else can we do?
Lock and secure.
Close and secure. Away.
Engine on 87 out of 87, we are close and secured.
Hey, close secure, thanks, out of new.
Anyway, no business at St. Mary's, zero business.
Okay, no business at St. Mary's. Alright, thanks.
You're going straight through St. Mary's.
Yeah, that's right.
See if it works this time.
Should.
Attention, 8861, crossing activated.
And you know it did. You can really... It may look like it's snowing, but it's raining really hard. Yeah, I can just see how much it's pouring. Pretty much wet.
Right to London they go.
Ha!
No stop at St. Mary's.
Yeah, no stop St. Mary's, straight shot to London, pretty much. Thank y'all for watching. Wait. Just thought, because of vacation, the crossings have to go up again, so, but yeah, no stop St. Mary's, I guess it's straight shot to London. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell. See you all in the next one.
Station 8861, crossing deactivated.